Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Lexus CT200h into maintenance mode. This special mode is essential for certain service tasks, like oil changes or emissions testing, where the engine needs to run continuously. To begin, make sure your car is completely off. Then, press the power button 2 times without touching the brake pedal. This will turn on the ignition, illuminating your dashboard, but the engine will remain off. Now, with the gear selector still in the park position, you'll perform a specific sequence with the accelerator pedal. Fully depress the accelerator pedal all the way down, then release it completely. Immediately repeat this action, pressing the pedal down a second time and releasing it. Remember, all these steps must be completed within a 60-second time frame for the mode to activate correctly. Next, carefully move your gear selector from park into the neutral position. Once in neutral, you will repeat the accelerator pedal sequence. Fully depress the accelerator pedal 2 times, ensuring each press is complete and distinct. After completing these 2 presses, shift the gear selector back into the park position. We are almost there, so keep up the precise timing. For the final step, with the gear selector back in park, fully depress the accelerator pedal 2 more times. After this, look at your multi-information display. You should see maintenance mode illuminated. To fully engage the mode and start the engine, depress the brake pedal and press the power button. The engine will now run continuously. To exit maintenance mode, simply turn off your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.